Let's learn how to use multiplication to find equivalent fractions.
Let's look at the fraction 1/3. There are 3 equal parts in one whole. One of the parts is colored. Let's divide each part of the model into 2 equal parts. There are now 6 equal parts in one whole. 2 out of the 6 equal parts are colored. This model represents 2/6. The models show that these fractions are equivalent fractions. Alternatively, we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 1/3 by 2. We also get 2/6. So, we can find an equivalent fraction of 1/3 by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Let's find another equivalent fraction of 1/3 using multiplication. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Now, let's split each part into 3 equal parts. The models show that 1/3, 2/6, and 3/9 are equivalent fractions. So, to find an equivalent fraction, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number.
Enjoyed the video? Start learning now! Subscribe to our program by clicking the button below.